Hi everyone, I'm John Howard and I'm here on YouTube sharing secrets from the lending community on improving your credit scores. My hope is to add value to people's lives by educating them and assisting in living the savviest financial life possible. My authority on credit scores is that I've facilitated 1 million mortgage applications over the last 15 years. My philosophy is change your credit, change your life. This video reveals an insider secret on one of the quickest ways to boost your credit scores and requires absolutely zero financial investment. This insider secret is add yourself as an authorized user on the credit account of a parent, sibling, or relative with a decent credit line, a great history of payments, and a low credit utilization rate. It is crucial, though, that this account has a great history so that it will actually help your credit scores. This credit account should have a 5-year history, no late payments, and a credit utilization rate of 30% or less. This exact credit account will go onto your credit report, so it must be a credit account. Most often, this is a close relative, parent, or sibling, someone very close to you. Here, you should simply not have them send you the physical credit card. They can tear it up once they receive it. This way, there will be no opportunity for you to use it. It is simply for building and adding to your credit profile. To increase your credit scores and get into the good and excellent status, which is most often considered to be within the FICO score ranges of 690 to 719 for good, and 720 to 850 for excellent, you will need to have several credit accounts. These credit accounts are referred to as the account mix or total accounts category on your credit report, and the total number of accounts you have has a 10% impact on your credit scores. The top or best total number of accounts is 21 or more, the next best range is 11 to 20, and the bottom two levels are 6 to 10 and 0 to 5. So if you have no credit cards, or can't qualify for a reasonable credit card or personal loan, this is an appealing option as there's absolutely no financial investment to acquire this credit account and no hard inquiry on your credit report. If you need to increase your credit scores and don't have any accounts at all, you will simply need to start adding credit accounts. A good goal for you would be to get to 11 total credit accounts. And for those of you who have some credit accounts, but maybe can't qualify for credit cards with attractive rates, this is also an appealing way to build credit accounts to the total accounts part of your credit profile and improve your scores. I'll be coming out with many more videos on improving your credit scores and all the top credit cards that enable you to travel the world for free, so I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Also, click the alerts bell so that you're alerted and don't miss out on any of these videos. If you haven't already, be sure to obtain your credit report and score from each of the 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You'll need to use each bureau for several months, so it's ideal to create an account at each bureau. Under this video, I've created a special link where you can access your credit report and scores from these 3 bureaus and also other resources to help you pay down your credit card debt. Thank you for watching. I'm here to assist, and I also encourage everyone to ask any questions in the comments area below. And if you found this video helpful, you can give us a like and share the wealth. Remember, know your credit scores 3 months before you rent, buy, refi, or apply. Change your credit, change your life.